Welcome back to Balabas Gist. Women of Enugu State don't cry, come outside, come tell Governor Mbah to release their children where in gon carry go inside kirikiri. No be small thing as that one dey happen. Come hear wetin this man dey talk concerning the Canada banding the Nigeria Army General wey dey call Christopher Musa. Come hear the other things wey him talk regarding the matter. May you know say all this territory wey dey happen for the northern part of Nigeria where they wan push come east now. The government of APC get something to tell us about. However, I go play the video for you. May you watch as the women dey demand for the release of their children wey Mbah go carry.
Makana ha na-emebi enyi na ikolo ka ụmụaka ma bụ nwaanyị tia gas nọ na ha egbo anyị ka anyị na-agba n'ihe anyị na-ekwuta bụ na anyị na-eme ngagharị iwe ka ọ hafụla anyị ụmụaka anyị biko na anyị na-ayọshi ike na anyị ejighị ike ejezi nye hafụjere anyị nye hafụla anyị ana anyị hafụla anyị ụmụaka anyị anyị enweghị oche ana obibi ma ụlọ ama agụrụ ụlọ 100 and anyị enweghị oche ụlọ anyị enweghị oche ugbo ego na-eguchi ụmụ nwaanyị na-anwụchi.
Okay, my wonderful people, una don see am. So this na small children wey don't do anything. All these people go accuse them here and there, say they be this, they be that. So this na the video. For east, we dey punish our own, but for not, they rehabilitate their own and put in the government. What a country. However, let us also watch this video and hear wetin this man tell Tinubu and the Nigeria Army General and also Nigeria in at large. So let us watch the video before we come back and continue.
Why did the Canada deny the military chiefs visa? They don't want people like them to come to their country. That is how to express your displeasure over what is going on in another country. Precious.
Sir?
This same Rubadu that is talking now, they can go to hell. Was it not the same person that came out and told the whole world that the arms and ammunition they bought for the military and the police, that the same military and police are selling it to bandits and terrorists?
But Darlington, you know, you say over 3,000 of our arms.
I'm missing.
In fact, as at Buhari tenure, now over 700 and something thousand of our arms have been the loss. So
when people hear this, the same military now coming into another country, how do you think they will look at you? I have asked yes now. Because people are watching and listening to what is going on in Nigeria. Rubadu, you are not doing well. They are the one the marketing Nigeria.
So you mean what thing that they do for insecurity, the market Nigeria?
Exactly.
So what's the thing what they do exactly?
Good, hold on.
Okay, sir.
Precious.
Sir?
Our young men and women have been fighting in the bush when they try to get these guys who have been killing people, maiming people, sacking villages. This same military hierarchy, they will now say they are rehabilitating them. They will spend money to do them, pamper them, treat them, give them royal.
So that means our army them don't be they catch them.
Good. Then now government will not say they are rehabilitating them. In fact, they'll be wondering why these terrorists and the bandits and whoever have been holding this country hostage for the past 15 years. And you have a military chief, because this kind of thing cannot happen in Canada. What is this terrorists in Nigeria? Precious.
Sir?
We are the one that invited them. Are you don't you know when these people went outside there to go and bring the terrorists? Now look at what everybody say. We are fighting. They are fighting for us. They are yes. How did they come about in the first place? You want to come and influence their country? Precious.
Sir?
Listen very well.
Okay, sir.
Something happened many years ago. They sent some Nigerian military men to Russia to go and go for a course. You know what they wrote in one of them?
No.
This man is not trainable.
Hey! That is, you don't get as a go, nothing go fi enter. That is coconut head.
In summary, that had a summarized zone.
Hey! But if you call him, now YouTube be this, no worry. Not be public radio. Are you serious, sir?
I said the same man in Russia who wrote that thing came to Nigeria and saw the same person as a leader in this country.
That is the same man for Russia,
yes.
Where the Nigerian military people go do training for
in hand.
Where can right say this person no dey trainable. That is in head, not in enter. And that same person now come Nigeria years later when I say the person are one of our leaders.
Good, he come wear 4-star general for Iran.
Hey, how they use promote him if you know they trainable for Russia?
Now be here, they say somebody can even lead us with a NEPA bill, even if you no go school. A leader in a country, you forge a certificate from a school that was not in existence. And you and I, we are. I mean, do you know the import of such behavior pressure? Do you know? Do you see why some of us are shouting corrupt? But the everybody was the one who told us that the military are selling arms to terrorists. Now the same everybody is defending a military chief that they deny visa in Canada after he has already messed them up here.
Ew.
Can you imagine? We don't have one single person who can say, this person, this one is exceptional. At least in this government, this man is good. Nobody.
Welcome to Precious Inye TV. It always see my belly today on Adamo to send on some things that happen for inside our country. And just today for inside social media, the trend across all social media platforms say NSA, that is a National Security Advisor, Nuhu Ribadu, vex well for Canadian embassy. In fact, say make Canadian embassy go to hell. They can go to hell. Why? Because of say they deny a chief of defense staff, General Christopher Musa, a visa, and some other top military guys them. Because they be talk this one when it be say Christopher Musa talk today for inside the event where it be say they happen for Abuja. So inside that event, now so they talk and come to say, I say by now it's supposed to be in Canada or for Vancouver for an event to where they honor military veterans them, but say Canadian embassy deny them visa. Now I say better they can go to hell. Say in fact, it's a blessing because if they pay for it, say they disrespectful for a Canadian embassy to see such a caliber of person come deny him visa alongside the other people them will be safe for them. So now the matter what carry come grab it is very Darlington. In fact, we could just watch Christopher Musa as he talk him exactly what he talk, and then we'll go back to look at waiting Nuhu Ribadu respond to him.
I was actually meant to by yesterday have been in Canada, Vancouver, Canada. There's an event to honor our veterans, those that were injured during battle. Remember last year, the Duke of Sussex visited Nigeria with his wife. Through the Invictus, they have a foundation that they try to raise the morale of troops all over the world that have suffered one form of deformity or the other in the course of defending their individual countries. So we're supposed to be there. And actually, half of my team have already gone, but unfortunately, the Canadian embassy, for knowledge best known to them, denied us visa. So I wasn't sure, and so I wanted to be silent about it. So
you don't hear as Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa used to talk about how they won't travel for a certain thing and then to Vancouver for an event to honor military veterans and how they use deny them visa. But Darlington, before you go talk, make people watch exactly waiting Nuhu Ribadu answer and then you talk your own. Now listen to waiting Nuhu Ribadu talk about this matter.
Thank you for the courage to say that Canada denied you. They can go to hell. Even though it's painful, it's disrespectful, but we are people. We are strong. And I agree with you. We have to fix our country. We have to do it well. Yes, this disrespect is too much. So, yet is another reason why we work hard to make Nigeria work and be respected. But things are changing, and I agree with you, Ajahn. Musa, things are changing. There is something new happening. We all believe that we are doing one thing. We all are in it together. We all want a better country. We all appreciate the fact that, of course, a lot is on us. If this country is going to work, we have to do a lot of work. We in the security sector. And I can assure you we don't even talk. Maybe 80% of what is happening today in our country, we don't talk. We don't. But we are happy, we are grateful for this opportunity given to us first by Mr. President. I can assure you we are all like one family. You see the military, with the civil police, with the intelligence community, with other paramilitary, all as one. Right now, I can tell you, maybe in many parts of our country, they are working together, operational, physical, in the bush, fighting to defend us, together as one. All over, Niger Delta, Southeast, Northeast, Middle Belt, Northwest. For the first time, you see a military man leading, a policeman by the side, DSS on one side, all others working as one. Even right now, I can assure you, it's going on. Young men, and not too young, all, and women, fighting to defend us as one and collective. Thank you so much, all of you, for that, for making it possible.
So, Barrister Darlington, you don't hear as GoverMbah the news reacts to waiting happen. And he say a couple of things where he also talks, say that they do their best. Say now the entire military apparatus, they work together, or security apparatus, they work together now. Police, army, all of them, they work together to ensure that they secure our country well. So this is a laudable development. But as they say, we must fix our country, we must fix them well. It just day in the news earlier today, day in the news this week, saying Nigerian government, they start Operation Safe Corridor to use rehabilitate repentant bandits them. Operation Safe Corridor may also do to rehabilitate repentant Boko Haram members and ISOP members. Now, we don't do them to use rehabilitate bandits, then we don't do repentant. Barrister Darlington, how can we fix our country if we're rehabilitating repentant bandits? But plenty military base there for inside Southeast. There is accusation of extortion by military of the people of from the people of the Southeast. Why go they like that, Barrister Darlington?
Yeah, precious.
Sir?
Precious.
Sir?
You know, when we say the world is a global village, these people don't listen. They think that whatever they are doing, nobody will see or hear. Why did the Canada deny the military chiefs a visa? They don't want people like them to come to their country. That is how to express your displeasure over what is going on in another country. That is the best way to do it diplomatically without offending anybody. They don't want you, they don't want you. They don't want you, they don't want you, because they have reasons. They are not happy with what is going on, especially with the military. Precious.
Sir?
This same Rubadu that is talking now, they can go to hell. Was it not the same person that came out and told the whole world that the arms and ammunition they bought for the military and the police, that the same military and police are selling it to bandits and terrorists?
Barrister Darlington, you know, you say over 3,000 of our arms
are missing.
In fact, as at Buhari tenor, now over 700 and something thousand of our arms have been lost.
So when people hear this, the same military now coming into another country, how do you think they will look at you? I have asked, yes, now they know what is going on. Because people are watching and listening to what is going on in Nigeria. Rubadu, you are not doing well. Your mouth cannot save what is going on. You cannot save any of you who are in government.
Hey,
yes, now, because the world is watching them now.
Hey.
The world is watching them now. Thank God that at least who is doing this now? Is it me? No. They are the ones the marketing Nigeria.
So you mean what thing that they do for insecurity, the demarket?
Exactly.
So what's the thing what they do exactly?
Good, hold on.
Okay, sir.
Precious.
Sir?
Our young men and women have been fighting in the bush when they try to get these guys who have been killing people, maiming people, sacking villages. This same military hierarchy, they will now say they are rehabilitating them. They will spend money to do them, pamper them, treat them, give them royal.
So that means our army them don't be they catch them.
Good. Then now government will not say they are rehabilitating them, because people will be asking, what kind of rubbish is this? Where is it done? This is part of the thing that people are getting angry with. In fact, they'll be wondering why these terrorists and the bandits and whoever have been holding this country hostage for the past 15 years. And you have a military chief, because this kind of thing cannot happen in Canada. That's why they are angry, because they've been wondering, what is this terrorists in Nigeria? Precious.
Sir?
We are the one that invited them. You don't know when these people went outside there to go and bring the terrorists, Now look at what everybody say. We are fighting. They are fighting for us. They are yes. How did they come about in the first place?
So, but let's maybe even look at this denial of visa. And people like the chief of defense staff and all that, they're not supposed to get diplomatic passports.
No, they are not. What are you saying? They can't. Yes, it's visa. They can't give them visa. Yes, now. Even if you look, even if you have a diplomatic passage, it will get to a point they will send you back to your country.
They will take you no go
they declare you persona non grata.
Anyway.
Yeah, because they don't want people like you to come into their country. It's a bad influence. It's a bad. You want to come and influence their country? Precious.
Sir?
Listen very well.
Okay, sir.
Something happened many years ago. They sent some Nigerian military men to Russia to go and study, go for a course. You know, when a country sends you for a course, as you are going, they will package the result of that course and everything, all your activities.
Yes.
Put it in, seal it. So
that now your gap for office this year.
Now your government go open up. If you tamper with it, it is null and void. So they carry and give some of our people who went there for this military training. You know what they wrote in one of them?
No.
This man is not trainable.
Hey! That is, not get as go, nothing go fi enter. That is coconut head.
In summary, that had a summarized zone. Do you know what happened? Many years down the line, the Soviet military chief visited Nigeria and saw the same person as a leader in this country.
Hey! But if you call him, now YouTube it is, no worry. Not be public radio. Are you serious, sir?
I said the same man in Russia who wrote that thing came to Nigeria and saw the same person as a leader in this country.
That is the same man for Russia,
yes.
Where the Nigerian military people go do training for
in hand.
Where can right say this person no dey trainable. That is in head, not even enter. And that same person now come Nigeria years later when I say the person are one of our leaders.
Good, he come wear 4-star general for Iran.
Hey, how they use promote them if you know they trainable for Russia?
Not be here. They say somebody can even lead us with a NEPA bill, even if you no go school. Not be here. Precious, is it not here? Precious, is it not here that somebody who went to go and forge a certificate, Precious? A leader in a country, you forge a certificate from a school that was not in existence. And you and I mean, do you know the import of such behavior, Precious? Do you know? No, tell me. There is no person in this government that the Western world they will not even see you as a human being. I'm telling you. That thing is finished in Nigeria. Not to talk of what is going on now with this terrorism and all that. Because they've discovered that government is complicit. With the way they are pampering these people, with the way they are behaving and all that. I told you here that every country in the whole world, they have embassy here. They are seeing and watching what is going on. They are listening to, they are reading it in our newspapers. So what are you going to tell them? Precious, what are you going to tell them? The activities of Tinubu and his government, they are the ones demarketing Nigeria.
So you feel say the way our administration they follow for waiting make this kind of our government they follow for waiting make
of course they already know the level of corruption in our military. That one is what you see. I am very surprised that everybody is even defending this.
All right, so listen very quickly, just as we won't stop. What will be the implication of this now to the image of the country and Nigerians in the diaspora?
It's already battered now. It's already battered. If you are entered into the military, do you see why some of us are shouting? Do you see what? At least let one institution be maybe our own model, so that we can now the military. In spite of what is going on, the military are not involved. They are not corrupt. But the everybody was the one who told us that the military are selling arms to terrorists. Now the same everybody is defending the military chief that they deny visa in Canada after he has already messed them up here.
Ew.
Can you imagine? Precious, can you imagine?
So what thing happen to us now from our own hand?
Can you just imagine? That's why I'm surprised. This everybody told us he never criticized Tinubu, this and that. I have been begging him, please go to court. Well, go and sue that woman to court. And go and sue her. Go and sue her and see what you will see there. The level of evidence that will pile up in that court. I don't understand, serious. I don't. Everybody has disappointed me personally. I'm not joking. With what he's doing, I am disappointed with what he's saying and doing all of a sudden. At least he's not hungry now. Everybody cannot be hungry.
All right, Barrister Darlington, make we leave the matter.
So what is all these things that is all of a sudden?
We
don't have one single person who can say, this person, this one is exceptional. At least in this government, this man is good. Nobody. All of them have sold out.
Okay, thank you. Thank you to Barrister Darlington. Thank you so much as you follow Sit Down Talk. Thank you. Thank you to everyone for being a part of this. I appreciate you guys and I love you so much. Kindly drop your comments, your thoughts, your reactions, and I'd love to know how this makes you feel. And if you haven't subscribed to this platform, follow us like your village people. What are you waiting for? Quickly subscribe. Click on that subscription button. Turn on the notification button so you know when we post and new shows and go live. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay, my wonderful people, when I don't say more, things are really happening. I bet make una share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. And make sure so you follow all our social media handle. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to see there for Blabber Jesus. I see the watch, they share.